Hi there, you're welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I'm going to take you through problems on functions. So I have a problem here. It says, find the period of the following functions. Find the period of the following functions. So let's get straight to it. So what's the first function here? F of x is equal to sine 2x. Now, when you say a period of function, it falls under a category of function called periodic function. We've treated periodic function in our previous video, so kindly subscribe and also do well to visit these videos. So periodic functions are functions which repeat itself at a particular regular time interval. Okay, so how do you find a period of a periodic function? Now, the components of a periodic function is that a periodic function is generally a cosine, or it may be sine omega t, right, plus maybe a phase difference. Okay, now the omega here is what we call the angular frequency, right? And omega is equal to 2 pi f, which is 2 pi times what? Our normal frequency, and our normal frequency, as you know, is 1 over what? The period, or 1 over time, right? So therefore we are going to get our angular frequency to be equal to 2 pi on t. Is that not it? And from this formula I can make my period a subject. So my period t is always equal to 2 pi over what? My angular frequency. How do I identify my angular frequency? I can get my angular frequency from the coefficient of my independent variable. This is x. It may be t, it can be x, right? But mostly it's time, because periodic, we are using time. So in this case, to find the period of this, is t is equal to a 2 pi over what? Now you know that our angular frequency is what? 2, right? So just put 2. This cancels and we get our period to be what? Pi. That's all. Then the second one, f of x is equal to cosine of the expression negative 2x plus pi on 3, right? So for this one, we simply identify our angular frequency, and that is negative 2 here. Just ignore the phase difference. So our t is equal to 2 pi over negative 2, and this cancels with negative pi. Then finally, the third one, f of x is equal to x minus sine x, right? So this one, ignore everything you see. This sine x is the periodic part. Therefore, we are going to have our period t to be equal to, the omega here is 1, right? The coefficient of x is 1. So 2 pi on 1. And that is 2 pi. Okay. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.